Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to organize messages with unknown sender folders on iOS 26. To do it, go to the settings. In the settings, you'll go to apps, then go to messages. Now, find the option unknown senders. Then you can enable or disable filter spam, and also you can enable or disable screening unknown senders. So when that's enabled, notifications will be hidden from unknown senders, and it will be all the messages from them will be moved to the unknown senders list. And you can also select whom to allow notifications from, so you can set it to things like verification codes and also other, which I don't know what other does, if it allows all notifications. Maybe it does. If it does, then you'll get the notification, but the messages will still be in the unknown senders instead of the main page of iMessage. And I'm gonna show you that if you go to the messages folder, then you'll see different things here. But if you click on the button in the top right corner, you'll see unknown senders, and now you'll see them here. And also if you go to spam, you'll see some spam messages that were filtered. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.